God promises unity to a divided people. He gathers unto himself what sin scatters and destroys. And every time he restores, interior peace will always follow. So when you look at the scriptures and you see that the leaders of Israel are plotting against Christ, it is because their fear of what they might lose has hardened their hearts against even the love of God. But look, the plan of God advances regardless. The season of Lent has brought us to the point of a threshold. We are going to keep facing opposition, even if not in our daily life, definitely spiritually. And so the question is, will we allow our purpose in God to be more sharpened, or will we turn away from it? God gathers his children to himself, and very often the way he does it is through sacrifice. The world doesn't understand this because what looks like defeat for the Christian is deliverance and victory. So today, here's my encouragement. Pray for unity in the church and amongst all Christians, and offer one very concrete, real sacrifice for the purification of the church. Something small, but concrete and real.